Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make a Google Sheet editable for everyone. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Sheet itself, and after that we just need to decide which files or which documents that we want to do with editable type or editable access. Okay, so for example I want to do with this files a example. So to make this files editable for everyone, is just need to go click this three smalls button, and after that you can do either share or manage access. So in the end you will have the same ending. Okay, so you just need to click the manage access, and after that you just need to click from this general access and change from restricted into anyone with a link. And after that, after you change from restricted into anyone with the link, there will be another option. So you just need to click it to explore the options. So there will be three options. Either you want to make the people who have the link can view only the documents, or they can comment into your documents, or even they can edit into your documents. Since you want to make the documents it's editable, just click the editor, so that people who have the link will be able to edit your documents. And after that you just need to click this symbol to copy the link into your clipboard, and now you can just need to send this the link into your friends or into someone that you want to invite to edit your document. So that's all the way how to make a Google Sheets editable for everyone. If you find this tutorials useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.